Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Mahindra Lukka. This channel is all about how to break into data science. Today I am going to walk you through all the platforms which I mentioned in my previous video. We will be looking into HackerRank, LeadCode, Kegel, Tableau, Medium and GitHub. Let's get started. Let's start with HackerRank. HackerRank is a free platform where you can just register, log in and access a wide range of coding problems. When you log in, this is the home page. As you see, along with SQL, Python, there are numerous other topics here. Let's look at SQL. On the screen, the list of questions appear on left side and to the right, there are multiple filters. You can choose your filters and start with a question by clicking on the Solve challenge. Let's see this example, select by ID. Now, you are on this page. The question appears on the left in detail. The code can be written here. Let's see an example. And now run the code. So now it passed all the sample test cases. Now you can submit the code. So it checks all the test cases and gives us the results. So this is how you can solve your SQL questions. If you are stuck, you may anytime look at the discussions by clicking here. You can go through the different approaches to the solutions by other participants. So this is not just practice but a great learning platform as well. The same procedure can be followed for Python as well, as it is the same friendly interface. Now let's see LeadCode. LeadCode is also a similar platform like HackerRank but with premium content that is accessible to subscribers only. Once you log in, this is the home page. You can click on the problems to practice. Now you can see various topics like algorithms, database, etc. To solve SQL questions, click on database. List of questions appear with all levels of difficulties. You can see easy, medium, hard. Filter those of your choice from here. You may see your progress from here with all difficulty levels and also how many problems we have completed. Let's see an example problem, combine two tables. Now the question is on left, similar to HackerRank with column names and data types. In addition, LeadCode also provides sample tables, sample output and an explanation as well. Then you may write the code here, run the code for different test cases. Let's run this example code and see how it works. LeadCode runs this code for all different test cases and gives us the result. So here it says accepted and our output and the expected output are matching. Now let's submit this and see how it works. So it says success. So our code is accepted. Even if your solution is accepted, you can go to discussion board and see how others solve the same problem in different way. The same procedure can be followed for Python problems as well. As I mentioned, premium content is for subscribers only. Let me share the LeadCode subscription details. You can see monthly subscription is for $35 and yearly it's for $159. These rates keep varying based on the promotional offers. Student can get the yearly subscription for $99 only, provided you sign up with your school email ID and at least 50 other students from the same university sign up as well. In any case, the count is less than 50, LeadCode automatically returns you the paid $99 and you will have to go for the general one, which is $159. You can see that this offer is not available currently. And to my observation, this opens during fall intake. You can always check for the availability of this offer. One of the good parts is that you can share your account with 5 others including you. You can create a session for each. You can see here user 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. And LeadCode shows that number of sessions is full. So at max you can get 5 sessions and have your individual progress tracked separately. Similar to how Netflix or Prime work. Now let's move to Kegel. Talking about Kegel, it has a lot of ongoing and completed machine learning competitions and numerous datasets contributed by the data science community. Once you sign up and log into Kegel, this is how the UI looks like. You can see competitions, datasets, code, etc. tabs. And in competitions, you can see various competitions happening currently and you can always filter it by the status like entered, completed, active, etc. Let's take an example competition which is pretty famous in Kegel, which is house price advanced regression techniques. So for any competition, start with reading the description, evaluation and tutorials if it has. To access the data, you need to join the competition by entering it. And once you are in the competition, you can always download the data and start working on it. And this is the sample submission which you need to follow while submitting it to the Kegel. Let's see how to submit our work. Now click Submit Predictions and upload your CSV file in the format of sample submissions. Once it's uploaded, give any description and then make submission. Now Kegel analyzes it and provides a score for it. See, it is 0.14. Now let's see our position on the leaderboard. See, this is my rank 2007-9 with a score of 0.14. And whenever you submit a new submission, you can always compare your existing rank with the previous one and see how your model is working. Kegel also has discussion board where people discuss their views. In addition, it also has code tab where you can access others' work. If you see, a person who got bronze in this competition has shared his work. Now let's see his code. So you can always refer this and compare this work with yours and adopt the best practices and fine-tune your model. So Kegel is a great learning platform by itself. Moving to Tableau, it is a visualization tool to portray your analysis and insights using dashboards and stories. Tableau Desktop and Public are the two available platforms where desktop version is for your private work and public version is to share your work globally. And both the versions are free for students. Now I'll walk you through Tableau Public platform. You can either use Tableau Public using the app or online. So if you want to work on app, you can enter your email address and click download the app. Now let's see my profile as a sample where I have already shared couple of my dashboards. I have created these two dashboards on Tableau Public app and shared with public domain. You can also create a visualization and share to the public domain by clicking this Create a Viz, which is an online platform. Once you click it, Tableau will ask for an input file. Now let's drag and drop a file which we want to work on. Now let's create a sample worksheet. Now we got a bar chart. In order to publish this work, we need to extract the data before saving it to the Tableau Public. So now create an extract. Once the extraction is completed, you can publish this work as, let's create it as a sample and publish it. It looks like this work has been published. Let's check it out. So I just have two dashboards before publishing this work. So let's refresh it. Now you can see the third one which we have just created. Now let's see our work. See, this is the graph which we have made and it is open to public now. So this is how you can create your portfolio and can share your profile to LinkedIn as well. Similar to the discussion tabs in other platforms, Tableau Public has a Discover tab where you can see other people's work and learn from them. You can see social impact, news and events, environment and biodiversity. All these are the topics where you can find the dashboards and you can always learn from it. Let's talk about Medium. Medium is a place to write, read and connect with millions of readers and writers. Medium is a place which has variety of topics including data science. You can see various articles where some are starred and some are not. Unstarred articles are those which you can read at any point of time without even signing in. You can see here, I can read this without even signing in. But for star articles, you will have a limit of 2 for each month without signing in. As it says, you have to sign up for Medium to get an extra one. Once you sign in, you will again have 5 articles as a limit per month and need a membership to read the other ones. For the membership details, it is $5 a month or $50 a year. But it is worth taking this membership as it is a solid platform for enhancing your data science knowledge. The next one is GitHub. GitHub is a free code hosting platform for version control and collaboration. You can publish your work to create a portfolio and view others' work by searching their profile. As a student, the primary use of GitHub is to build a portfolio of your work. You can do this by creating repositories. You can create a new repository by clicking New. You can add a repository name, give a description for your project, also add a README file as well. Now let's create this repository. You can edit the README file by adding all the necessary details here. You can add all the necessary changes and commit these changes. Now going back to our repository, you can add supporting files like Python code, PPT, Excel, etc. by clicking the add file and creating the new file or upload the files. README file is very important in my opinion, as the readers will have an idea of your work by going through it. Now going back to my all repositories. Now that all your repositories are ready, you can share your GitHub portfolio to LinkedIn and resume. I hope you got an idea of what these platforms are and what all you can do with them. Now you also know how to build a strong data science portfolio and strengthen your existing LinkedIn profile and resume. I hope you liked the content. Please like and share this video and subscribe to my channel. If you have any recommendations or any suggestions, please use the comment section below. In my coming videos, I'll try to introduce some of my colleagues and friends who are from non-tech backgrounds but doing great in data domains. So let's stay connected and grow together.